Yes, good evening and welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend to tell a friend we're at it again. So today I come to talk to you about some seriousness there because I love when I see I go on to Jamaica, dog. This social media thing I get out of hand with the killing, a spiral out of hand. You see me? The social media users who have a platform that can help the whole country. So, my thing is, Virgin, when I look at youth and I grow up, you see me? And Jamaica was such a nice blood clean country where everybody gravitate to. People still are gravitate to Jamaica, don't get it twisted. Because Jamaica is the #1 hotspot in the whole entire world. No matter what them tell you, no matter what they hear. It's the most sought of country out of every other country in the world. Because of the culture, the food, the religion, and what we stand for. Alright, with all of that said, when me a youth, and me a grow up, see, I was able to walk from one part of Kingston to the other part of Kingston without no problems at all. You know what I say? Even though politics war did a fight, the man them never used to trouble youths. The only time a man trouble a youth, unless you's a youth, who go to school and you wear epaulet and button for your clothes, say you're PMP or labor right. Once you start to that, then chances are you're going to have a problem growing up as youth. But when me I grew up as youth in the 80s, you could have walked from downtown, which is Parade Square, all the way a Reynolds Road, or all the way a Waterhouse, all the way a 6 Mile from downtown. You see me? All the way from downtown got Bull Bay, and nobody would have never trouble you. Try that now in a them time and age. Try that now in this time and age. And see what will happen to you in a Jamaica. It is ridiculous to think that a community of 10, 15 blacks, a man cannot even leave in black where him live on for go around for the next road. Because round there, sir, and the man where the writer, sir, a war. See? Some man have to take taxi and a hide. When them want gun where them can't go up on certain street. What kind of foolishness go on in Jamaica? What kind of foolishness go on in Jamaica? And my thing is, what me can't understand is, how is it the Jamaican government cannot control the country? When you have the rule that says, shoot first and ask question after. A rule like that does not apply in America, but America can have control of them country. I mean, things happen in America, don't get it twisted. But for the most part, it's gonna be dealt with when it happens. You know what I say? So, why is it Jamaica is such a beautiful place and a beautiful country where everybody admire and love start spiraling out of control with the liberty and crimes, violence, murder? Why is it Jamaica becomes like that? I think the government have a lot to do with it. Because they do not have anything in place to counteract all of these things that's going on in Jamaica. They do not spend the money where the IMF give them in the country to develop agencies and stuff like that to counteract these things that's happening in the country right now. Because it is ridiculous to think that the country where everybody love, a man cannot walk from one block to another block that born and grow within the country of Jamaica or the island of Jamaica. Jamaica is not what it used to be. Not what it used to be. Because me come from Waterhouse, me can't go to Toil. Toil man can't come to Waterhouse. Foolish! Me can't go to Seaview. Seaview man can't come up the road. Foolish! Me can't go to Riverton. Riverton man can't come up on my side. That's foolish! And also leave it go. And we're going to destroy the one sanctuary where we have in the whole entire world. We don't realize that Jamaica is the capital of the world, and the world is watching. Right now, the whole world, I say, all the things Jamaica know if you talk about are killing. Killing, killing, killing. Bro, when you using the energy to focus on something else, to uplift the country, and make we become a global world power. We already are global world dominant what I call it, dominant culture where people love and admire and wish to be a part of and all kind of thing. But the country itself, with all of the things that are going on in the country, it is hard. It is very hard for things to go back to normal. And it will never go back to normal. Because of all of the atrocities that keep happening within the island. And all the atrocities that the leaders of the island keep committing and turning a blind eye to. When them commit them crimes. You know what I say? When them do things to bring down the nation of Jamaica. Like the Prime Minister robbed $3 trillion from the Jamaica government funds that him supposed to allocate to do work within the country. Him and him friend them robbed $3 trillion. You know what I say? So when you have a government like that, that's robbing the funds where the country is supposed to use to develop the country, and then you have crime spiraling out of control, and then you have this new generation who come with Jezebel, them call themselves X-Gen, but in reality them are Jezebel. You see me? Because them stand for the nastiness, the corruption, and all of the fuck with them who are going in Jamaica. You see me? A time for everything change. A time for we, as a culture, as people, open up our eye. And she said them are trying to take everything from we. As a nation, we're strong. Supposed to be strong. Them are bombarded away with all of them foolishness. And we accepting it. Turning a blind eye. It's not happening to us, but not yet until it reach a phone door. So Jamaica people, a time for to wise up and go back to what Jamaica used to be. You know what I say? One time gone man could have walked from downtown, go anywhere more and go. Him can't do them something no more because the country changed. The country changed. Appear vampire, werewolf, and Dracula we have in Jamaica nowadays. Please, when you tap up the like button, man, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. And we again, man. Yeah, man, Global Watch Media, man. Yeah, man, listen. Appear Dracula, werewolf, and vampire we have in Jamaica. It seems like all of you them just inspire for be killers. Nobody now inspire for be builders no more. Creators. You know what I say? Everybody inspire for be a killer. We don't no more doctors, we don't no more lawyers, we don't no more firefighter, we don't no more farmers. A pay killer we are produce. You think a nation can sustain itself with nothing but murderers? Eh? And the government, sit back And watch all of this thing happen in a Jamaica because we never care about Jamaica from morning. This is why politics come at Jamaica because we been want them something happen in Jamaica. We been want to destroy Jamaica. Jamaica was the only place in the world where a sanctuary, where the whole world look up to. Now the world look at we like we are joke. We are Batman, Sodomite, all kind of thing in a Jamaica right now. Peer transmission. We have a Jamaica right now. You see me? So the world look at we like we are joke right now. Our Prime Minister just take $1.1 billion from Canada to implement sexual reproductive class inside a Jamaican school. Jamaica gone to the dogs. We gone to the dogs. PM transmission and transvestite. And Charlie, we are going to have done that bomb buckle in the next 2-3 years. And peer killers, Draculas, vampires and werewolves. You can't even walk a block from which part you live to go somewhere without a fear look over your shoulder. Foolishness are going on the island. Big time foolishness. I mean, I support none of them things there. You see me? Me a talk out. Please, everyone, please like, share my video. Because my video them fear play them now, play my video them. They might try to go around my thing because of the things that me attack. Anyway, bless upon yourself. Jamaican to the end. We don't know the thing going on because we now left Jamaica and we now let go Jamaica. You see me? We now stop lick out until Jamaica go back to what it used to be. Or better than what it used to be. You see me? So please like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And we again at Global Watch Media. Boom, 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 boom.